Cockerill's is a well-established family business in the north of England. They process potatoes for the supermarkets and the crisp industry. They generate a lot of mixed waste in the packing house, consisting of cardboard, plastic and Hessian sacks. And this was all previously sent to landfill. They chose two Mil-tek 205 machines, one for plastic and one for cardboard, and now 80% of the waste is baled. This resulted in savings of £5,000 a year, so the savings will pay for the machines in 12 months. The working area is now much cleaner, and the company now complies with the recycling legislation.